We are learning a new verb tense, the future. The future tense allows us to describe what will happen. So here's what you need to know about the future tense. In English, we have the word will. It's a separate word, but in Spanish, there isn't a separate word for will. Will is implied by the verb ending. There are two things that you need to know about conjugating in the future. First, AR, ER, and IR verbs all have the same endings. Yay! Also, you take these verb endings and you add them to the infinitive verb. You don't take off the AR, the ER, the IR. You just add the ending to the infinitive. So you add the verb ending to hablar, add it to comer, to ir, to jugar. You just add it to the infinitive. So here are the verb endings. As, a, hemos, eis, an. Notice there's an accent in the yo, the tú, the el, the vosotros, and the ellos. Pause and write this in your notes. Here's what you should have on your note guide. Pause the video and make sure that this is what you have on your paper. Let's look at some examples. The first with comer. Notice in all 6 forms you see comer and the ending is just added to the end of the infinitive. That's how this works, guys. So the yo, comeré, I will eat. Comerás, you will eat. Comerá, he will eat. Comeremos, we will eat. Comeréis, you all will eat. Comerán, they will eat. The second example is with jugar. Jugar is a stem changer, but guys, it doesn't stem change because we're using just the infinitive verb. So for yo, you have jugaré, I will play. Jugarás, you will play. Jugará, he will play. Jugaremos, we will play. Jugaréis, you all will play. Jugarán. The last example is with the verb ver. Veré, I will see. Verás, verá. Veremos, veréis, verán. Pause the video to make sure you have these written down. Here are 3 other examples: dormir, ir, and ser. Notice in all 3 of these conjugations you see the entire infinitive verb with the endings just added to the end of the infinitive. That's all you have to do. Pause the video now and begin the practice of regular conjugations of the future verbs. Here are the answers for your practice. Check your work carefully and make sure you have accents when appropriate. Well, you knew it was coming. Irregular verbs in the future tense. Each of these irregular verbs, they have a new stem, and you add the verb ending to the new stem. Hacer's new stem is ar, H-A-R. Decir, dir, D-I-R. Querer is quer, Q-U-E-R-R. Venir is vender, V-E-N-D-R. Salir is salder, S-A-L-D-R. Poner is ponder, P-O-N-D-R. Tener is tender, T-E-N-D-R. Poder is poder, P-O-D-R. Haber is aber, H-A-B-R. Valer is valder, V-A-L-D-R. Pause the video and make sure you have these recorded in your notes. Then do the practice below. Here are the answers for your practice. Check your work carefully and make sure you have accents when appropriate.